properties in the UAE are renowned for being high-end, well-serviced, and offer tenants the utmost comfort and luxury. While our expertise lies in property management and operation and optimization of a cooling system requires a specialized skill set. Cooling reliability is a critical element to our service standards. Previously, we faced risks such as summer breakdowns, insufficient cooling, high utility bills, and frequent tenant complaints. However, partnering with Johnson Control has changed the situation, ensuring our cooling system are par with the world standards. Partnering with Johnson Control for cooling as a service has been transformative. They handled entire project seamlessly, upgrading our equipment, ensuring 24 hours operations, hassle-free management, and managing the tenants' billing. And we are worry-free at the moment to face any issues. Now our system is working perfectly without any downtime.